Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you fix that problem you have on your Monopoly Go. So all you have to do to fix that problem on your app, so you just click here on settings here, so and you come to next step. Then all you have to do now, just go down here and you click here on apps, so then it's going to take you to apps list here. Then you just go down here to looking for Monopoly Go, so just keep going down here, and when you find it, so just click on it here like this. Then it's going to take you here in this list. Then you just click here on force stop, so then you click here on OK, and you go down here, you click here on storage, and you come to storage list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do is to just go to your Play Store, so then you click on your Play Store here, you search for Monopoly Go app. It's going to show for you like this, and you will find here update, so just click on it. Then it's going to fix with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.